In the video when we're picking up Xiaomi C7, my boss George has said that.
Tomorrow I will fly to Switzerland for the Watches and Wonders for 2 weeks.
And now this is him attending Watches and Wonders Geneva. But actually his European trip wasn't just about watches. Before Switzerland, he stayed in Frankfurt and visited one of the largest NIO House in Germany. Over the past year, I've been telling everyone how great NIO service is, but many of our viewers can't really understand it because outside of China, there's no other region or country where you can fully experience what NIO service is really like. However, things are changing. Our European audience now has the chance to feel why NIO's brand value is beyond just the product itself. So let's follow George and experience it all together.
Hi, Michael.
Hey, hello. Hello.
So this shop is quite big. It's the largest in Germany.
No, it's not the largest. The largest one is in Berlin.
Yeah.
It was our first store in Germany.
Yeah.
And also it's in the capital, it's the biggest one. Last week we had our first anniversary here.
How's the business? I see there's a lot of people here.
Yes, we are a really packed store. It's not that quiet here. People come, enjoy. Of course, this is our philosophy. Like everybody is welcome, so they don't have to buy a car to come in. Yeah. Of course, it's good to sell cars, but they come in, can have a coffee, sit down, do their work, networking a little bit.
So, Michael, can you show me the...
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
So this is our showroom here for cars. We have also the EP9 in the back.
Yeah.
There's only 8 in the world. You have one.
Yeah, I have one.
As we know, in China, the service is very popular. Here is the same thing, or people like anything else?
Almost the same. Of course, we always try our best to service in a really premium, high standard, really taking care of our customers, of our users, to give them the best service.
Up to now, the most users are buying the car, or as I heard, there's also some rental program.
Yes, we also have the subscription package, the leasing, of course, and also to buy the cars.
Okay.
3 different.
Which is more popular?
I think the subscription package is really popular. Yeah, because it's like an all-in-one package, so you have everything is included in this package. So, for example, service, or you can also do power swaps with that for free, and then you have also the insurance. Everything is in one package. These are our 4 meeting rooms. Yeah, they are like for free. The first 2 hours is free, and more than 2 hours you have to pay just 50 euros.
It's open for the new user, or open for everyone?
It's for everyone. It's open. Yeah, for everyone. Yeah. Of course, in Europe we have a different concept than China. Yeah. Because I know that in China only the users are. Right. But this is nothing for us for the European market now. Like you're new on the market.
Yeah. You should start your consumer first. Yeah, let people get into the shop. There's a lot of young people.
Yeah, it's a mix. It's a mix of everyone. Like they come here to study. Of course, some people they're working in home office at the moment, and they want to go out networking a little bit. Bigger startups or bigger companies, they come here to using the meeting rooms. It's a mix. This is open for everyone. Yeah. And of course, we also have our children's hub here. Yeah, sure.
Near my home, there's a NIO House in Shanghai. So the children's place is just 1/4 of this.
Oh, okay.
So it's better.
Yeah, we have a quite big one. Yes. Then, for example, we also have our art gallery over there. Yeah, this is for local artists. Yeah, and it's for free. For example, like I said, local artists come here. Yeah. Of course, like we do appointments. People are interested in this art. They can directly contact the artist
and buy them.
For example, it's a free space. Yeah. Yes, it's for of course, it's the same like with everything else. First come, first serve. So then we do appointments, and they have like a term of 1 month. They can present the art, and then the next month there's a different artist. This is something for the local community to give something for them. Yeah. So, and that's almost it. And of course we have our NIO Cafe. Yeah.
I'm familiar.
Of course. That's our NIO House. Yeah. We also try our best to bring the brand near to the people. Yeah. And of course then they're getting more and more interested in the brand NIO. They're asking like, hey, what's about the car? What's about the concept? And this is they learn more and more.
And what do they think of the swap solution?
We opened our power swap station here in 10 minutes from here 1 week ago. Now this is really good for our test drivers because now they have a power swap station nearby and they can drive there and can like feel and you know.
Now it's automatic, I think. It's in the second generation. It's totally automatic. You just get into the car, push a button.
Yeah, and easy. Yeah, this is really really good thing. Yep.
NIO isn't just about cars. This is a phrase often heard from NIO owners in China. When electrification makes horsepower less expensive and smart technology more accessible, human eccentricity as a service becomes a competitive edge for upcoming brands over traditional luxury brands. Some may argue that car itself is still what matters the most in the automotive industry, but the emotional value provided by such additional services can make the entire experience totally different. Even someone like me, a bit nostalgic full Fiesta ST owner, feel like a dog finding a bone after transitioning to a NIO owner.